Sometimes when the flies get the house, it's not really cool thing or really fun thing, but this product catches before it's entered the house. Hi, my name is Sergey, I'm Injection Molding Supervisor for Rescue, and today I would like to introduce you Fly Tape. This is a great product and it's available in pack of 3 or individually. You can put this one by entryways, by entry garageways. First you need to pull out the tag, put it aside, but be careful, it's sharp. And what do? Just slowly open it. It has adhesive, a special color. Our scientists did that because usually you're buying brown ones, but this is the special color for attracting flies. Pretty soon this is gonna be full of flies. And I would like to show you how easy to put in a wall. We will put over here by the entryway. Push the tag, it's really simple and easy, and it will do the job for you. I hope you enjoy your rescue fly tape, and it's really good investment to keep flies out of the house. This is actually my first job in the United States. And now I'm injection molding supervisor. I'm working on the machines, I'm programming new molds. I feel like a part of the family, not just employee coming every day, but I feel like a part of the family over here.